and we are going to see about state management. Managing state in Next.js application. State management in Next.js involves managing the application's data and UI state to ensure consistency and synchronization across components. You will typically manage state for data fetching, form input, user authentication, and other aspects of the application that require shared data. Next.js supports various state management techniques include local component state, React Context API, and third-party libraries like Redux. Now I am going to show you how to manage state. First, in the component, first I am going to create a counter.js. First, I am going to import use state from React. Const count command set count equal to use state 0, and inside the count div I'm going to give h1 counter and p count, and I'm going to create a button for increment and button for decrement. On click increment on click decrement. Next I am going to create a function for increment. Const increment equal to set count count plus 1, and const decrement equal to set count minus 1. Like this, we want to create a counter app using state, and then in index h1 and then I'm going to call the counter component npm run dev. See, we are getting the counter app. If I press increment, it was increment, and it was decrement. Like this, we can use state. This example demonstrates how to manage state in Next.js exploring state management like state using use state. Thank you.